Everyone wants a piece of the ocean on their wall until they realize how much work goes into making one. This looks like a calm, peaceful beach right now, but making it was an absolute roller coaster. Here is the entire breakdown. Step 1. Drawing a highly mathematical, extremely precise line to define the beach. Now, painting the wood with wood color. Because, honestly, the wood just wasn't wooden enough. Adding light blue and turquoise. Now, mixing texture paste with a pinch of sand, basically adding sand to my grandma's secret beach recipe. Applying the mixture, flattening it with paper. It's not a wax strip, it's just paper. Then I sprinkle a little real sand on top. And shaking off the excess. Perfect. Time to draw some delicate marine life. Wait, zoom in. Are those birds? Underwater! You know what? Never mind. They are flying fish now. Moving on. Pouring clear sea green and deep blue resin. Now for the white wave pigment. Day 2. Adding a crystal clear top coat and creating a second wave layer near the shoreline for that extra depth. Just look at how perfect these waves are. We're not done yet. Let's keep going. Choosing the numbers. Modern or Roman, silver or gold, an existential crisis. In 4 options. Which one would you pick? Time for surgery. Drilling a hole right in the middle. Try not to panic. measuring the numbers with extreme mathematical precision, because symmetry is a lifestyle. Peeling the back, sticking them down. Satisfying. Installing the mechanism, attaching the clock hands, and boom! We went from a piece of wood to an actual functional masterpiece. Found this helpful or entertaining? Hit follow to see what we build next.